How to see number of friends you have on Snapchat. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings, go back. On friends section, tap on my friends, and from here you can find or count the number of friends you have, and you can also see the name of friends you have. If you want to add any four friends, tap on add friends, and you can add it by searching them, or from quick adds section you can simply add the one you know. Similarly, if you want to remove friend, tap on my friends again, select the friend you want to remove, tap on manage friendship, then remove friend. That's how you do it. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.